Let's unpack the technical action for Evok Pharma, ticker EVOK, based on the July 9, 2025 closing data, to see what's cooking and where this stock might head next. Over the past 3 months, Evok has been a wild ride, starting at $224.54 on April 10, 2025, and rocketing to a close of $792 on July 9. That's a staggering 252.74% gain. But the real fireworks came on July 9 with a 197.74% single-day surge, driven by an insane 95,921,099 shares traded, compared to an average daily volume of about 15,000 shares. Let's break it down. On July 8, Evok closed at $266, then gapped up to open at $850, hit a high of $988, and settled at $792. This volume explosion suggests a major catalyst, maybe news or heavy speculative buying. Now for the technicals, the 5-day SMA is 372799999999998, and the 5-day EMA is 44197480880344469, both below the 792 close, showing the strength of this breakout. The 20-day SMA is 30076300000000002, 50-day at 30670760000000006, and 200-day at 30744525768488855. With the price smashing through all these levels, this is a bullish tsunami, but is it overextended? Momentum indicators give clues. The 14-day RSI is 8973144704582903, deep in overbought territory above 70, screaming caution. Williams percent off 14 at -26 41509433962265 is near overbought, and the MFI 14 at 99 95290819308732 is maxed out, showing extreme buying pressure. The 10-day momentum is 516, reflecting the massive move, and CCI 20 at 666. 6666666666667 is off the charts, confirming overextension. Trend indicators show the MACD line at 0309971585055300864, above the signal line at -0.023431956808439868, with a bullish histogram of 0.3334035418637483. The ADX 14 at 35.4448447869305774 indicates a strong trend, and the Arun oscillator at 78. 57142857142857, with Arun up at 100, supports the bullish breakout. For volatility, the 14-day ATR is 072028093925222835, signaling big swings. Bollinger Bands have the upper band at 527579813847651, middle at 30076300000000002, and lower at 0.73946186152348898, with the price blowing past the upper band. The parabolic SAR at 248234704 is well below the price, reinforcing the uptrend. Volume indicators are nuts. OBV at 95,962,535 reflects massive accumulation, but the Chaikin oscillator at -1305620, 682769204 suggests some distribution amid the frenzy. Stochastic RSI K5 at 100 and D5 at 82, 656934282374459 are overbought, while the ultimate oscillator at 68, 2302496360781 is strong but not extreme, forecasting the next trading day's open, with a 792 close and VWAP at 7924577179125116. The overbought RSI and MFI hint at a potential pullback, but the trend strength and volume could sustain momentum. Expect an open between 750 and 850, with 800 as a likely midpoint. Support levels are at the VWAP of 7924577179125116, 5-day EMA at 44197480880344469, and 20-day SMA at 30076300000000002, Resistance is at the recent high of 9.88 and psychological levels like 10.00. The ATR suggests an intraday range of 7.20 to 8.64, but volatility could stretch it. In a bullish scenario, if volume holds above 50 million and sentiment stays hot, Evok could test 9.00 or even 9.88 again. In a bearish case, profit-taking could pull it toward the VWAP at 7924577179125116 or 5-day EMA at 4.4197480880344469. Consolidation might see it trade between 7.00 and 8.50. Key takeaways: this 197.74% spike on monster volume is a game-changer, but overbought signals like RSI and MFI shout caution. The 14-day ROC at 185. 40540540540542 confirms the crazy momentum. Traders should watch for news or volume shifts. If EVOK holds above 7.00, bulls rule, but a drop below 4.4197480880344469 could signal a deeper correction. What's fueling this surge, and can it keep climbing? Share your thoughts below.